Welcome to the Sumpter Valley Railroad, where history comes to life aboard the vintage trains as you travel through the heart of gold country in the scenic Sumpter Valley. Running between McEwen and the historic mining town of Sumpter, it's a guarantee that the whole family will enjoy this relaxing trip back in time without having to leave the comfort of the present. The Sumpter Valley Railroad is open weekends and major holidays. Memorial Day weekend through the last weekend in September. Please check their website for additional information. The builders of the railway owned the Grand Ron Lumber Company in Perry, Oregon, and the railway was financed by the Mormons in Utah. By 1891, the line had reached McEwen, 22 miles west of Baker City, and the railroad began offering passenger and freight services. To reach uncut forest further west, the company extended the line in stages. It reached Sumpter in 1896 and continued southwestward to Whitney, Tipton, Austin, and Bates. By 1910, it arrived in Prairie City, a ranching and mining community along the John Day River in Grant County. 10 years later, the railway began losing business to automobiles and trucks, and in 1933, 20 miles of track between Prairie City and Bates were abandoned. Scheduled passenger services on the remaining line ended in 1937. In 1947, the railroad ceased all operations except for 1.5 miles of track in the Oregon Lumber Company yard in South Baker City. The last section was abandoned and removed in 1961. In 1971, a group of volunteers set out to rebuild the Sumpter Valley Railway. Locomotive number 3, a 1915 Heisler-type steam locomotive, was restored to operation in 1976, and the new railway opened for business July 4, 1976, over a track of less than 1 mile. The Sumpter Valley Railroad Restoration Incorporated was created, and 6 miles of track were reinstalled by hand over the next 15 years to connect McEwen, Oregon Station with Sumpter, Oregon. SVR's number 19, a steam Type 282 locomotive built in 1920, was restored to operating condition in 1996. In 2007, the railway opened its reproduction of the original Sumpter depot within sight of the Sumpter Valley Dredge State Heritage Area, operated by the Oregon Parks and Recreation Department. The railway operates a number of historic Sumpter Valley Railroad and adjoining 3-foot narrow-gauge logging railroad steam locomotives and the equipment on the line every summer. like to extend a big hearty thank you to all the wonderful staff and volunteers of the Sumpter Valley Railroad for making our weekend on the train a once-in-a-lifetime experience. An experience that you too can enjoy. Please check out their website, www.sumptervalleyrailroad.org.